friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Techer. In today's video, I'll be talking about the how to hide the applications in the Poco X3 device. As you can see, friends, right now I'm using the Poco X3 smartphone, and in this video, I'll be guiding the step-by-step process how you can actually hide the applications by using the default settings you got in the mobile phone. And make sure to follow me regularly for the Sai Tech Guru for interesting wallpapers similarly like this in the Poco X3 and live wallpapers. Do check the links in description. So there is a wallpaper playlist available, so you can click that playlist and you can check all the videos related to the wallpapers and even the smartphone as well of the Poco X3 device. So I do receive so many comments regarding the wallpapers what I'm using in this phone, so that's why I'm trying to say every time before itself, so I don't want to get so many comments on the wallpapers, so you can straight away go to the playlist. So to find these applications, how you can actually hide the default launcher in the Poco X3, you do get with the, of course, the Poco launcher alone. So in the Poco launcher, there is one method of doing that. So first you need to long press on the home screen, as you can see here. So then go to the settings and tap the last option, which is hide the app icons, as you can see. So this is the first step you need to do. So once you are done that process, now you need to go to the app drawer. As you can see here are the list of applications it's listing here. So try to swipe 2 times to the right side. As you can see, just swipe very fast 2 times. So now you will get into the hiding the apps, as you can see here. So now you need to set the password, so you can turn on the fingerprint scanning as well, but again you need to create the one more pattern here as well. So there are so many patterns you need to create, one for the hiding apps, one for the another app lock, there is another pattern over there, and for the phone alone there is another pattern. There are so many patterns, so which will be very confusing for you, so it's better to choose one of the like common or any similar to the other patterns. So right now I'm inside, and here you can directly add all the applications whatever you want to hide. As you can see, as simple as it is. So once you're done, just click middle button. As you can see, you won't find any of those applications icons alone here. So you won't find the applications icons, but you can find the applications in the multitasking. So there is another drawback of using these hiding apps. So it makes only sense to hide the app icons, but if you receive any other notifications or anything, you will be getting the messages unless you hide the notifications as well for the applications. So let me go back here. So now you can access by using the fingerprint scanner. As you can see, now there is a Flipkart application, and now you can access the Flipkart application. So let me try to close it here. As you can see, in the multitasking, you do get directly Flipkart. So even in the multitasking, it should be disabled, like it should not be there in the multitasking. So I wish that could be an option, because you can easily see the contents as well, everything. The purpose of hiding the apps is that to be more secure in not showing the message or anything. But in the multitasking, you can read the messages. For example, if you open the Facebook messaging or WhatsApp applications. So this is another drawback here. This is one thing you need to know, and there is other way how you can actually hide the content in the multitasking. So that will be for another video, so make sure to follow me regularly. As I said, there are so many hidden tips and tricks and features in the Poco X3 device, so I'm trying to cover as much as I can. So make sure to follow me regularly. I'll try to make another video how you can hide the multitasking applications as well. So that's it, friends. This is a quick review on the hiding applications in the Poco X3 smartphone, and these are the few things you need to know before actually hiding the apps as well in the Poco X3 device. And make sure to follow me, friends. Recently even I did the videos on the app locking and battery draining and plenty of other in-depth reviews as well, so make sure to check those videos in case if you did not check that. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.